Yeah? How's it feel, right?
Hella good, actually.
Yeah.
How long this last? Like,
5 hours.
shit.
I know.
We got these for like
All
this year?
season you got them for the games and practice. Yeah.
I miss I ain't gonna lie. That feel hella good. Oh my God.
That's not bad, right?
Yeah, that's for real.
Yep. We got it for practice and games this season.
That's crazy.
That's right.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, man.
That feel good, bro. Swear. It's big though. But dude,
Yeah, if I'm running in this, I ain't sweating. At all. At all. It's like cold.
whoa. Yeah. Hey, Ring. Yeah, nah, this jump fine. I feel like the air like right here.
You can move it around, twist it, and there's 3 different tube lengths. Get it on your forehead or have it all the way down to your nose and mouth, wherever you want it. Yep.
I want that thing on my forehead. Oh, they done messed up the game with this one. Hey, and I'm about to put a visor on?
Yeah. You can turn it at the visor. It defogs the visor, makes it even cooler with the visor on. That's right.
Oh, yeah. I can have this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got it all practice and all season, too.
This one for the big dog. This one ain't for all the dogs. This one for the big dog. Big dog on the loose. Go hard, bite down like a saber tooth. This one ain't for all the dogs. This one for the big dog. This one ain't for all the dogs. This one for the big dog.
Jessica.